In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you could use the calendar feature in Schoology. This is a great way for you to be able to keep track of upcoming school events, for you to be able to see when you have tests or quizzes that you need to study for, and also will help you understand what assignments you need to work on because they're coming due in the next couple days. So there's two different ways you could get to your calendar. If you're on your student homepage, you could click on the calendar link next to the upcoming events box. Or from any page in Schoology, you could click on the calendar icon on the top. When your calendar loads, you will see that it has a bunch of events and assignments loaded for you. If this is overwhelming because there's so many of them, you could actually select which calendar items you want to see by going up to the top left where it says all calendars. When you click on that, it will show you the calendars that you have currently showing. So say for example you only wanted to have your assignments for your sample class to show up. Click the checkbox and you'll see everything else will disappear except the events and assignments from that class. You could have more than one calendar showing. So if you just wanted to see for your classes, you could have the checkbox for each of those classes marked, and you'll see the events and assignments for those two classes. You'll also notice that each of your calendars has a different color. So any events that you add to your calendar that are just for you are going to be blue. Course calendars are this orange color. If you want to change them so that they're different colors for each of the classes, you could click on the color and select a new one. Any of your group events are going to be green, and finally whole school events are this purple color. So I'm going to uncheck all of the check boxes, so if none of them are checked, then it will actually show all of your calendars. If you want to create your own event, you can click on the day that you want the event, fill out the parts that are important for that event, and then click create. Okay, and you will see that it's added in the blue color because it's a personal event. Also, another great thing about your calendar is that you could actually click on any of the assignments that show up. So I have this assignment, what is the best animal and why, that's due tomorrow on Tuesday. So if I click on that, it will give me a little bit more information about it. If I click view item, it will actually take me to the course page where I have to do that assignment, and I could actually just finish it right from here, and that will be done. So as you can see, the calendar feature is really good for you to be able to plan out your time. You could see upcoming school events. You could see tests or quizzes that are coming up that you might need to study for. And then you could also get a better idea of when you need to do assignments, and you could prioritize things that are going to be due sooner than some of the stuff that might be due later in the week.